Hello friends, welcome you all to Green Wallet and Citizen Justice Forum video channel. Our mission is to empower people financially, socially and economically and legally. Now today we are going to discuss that the market which I am telling that it is the structure on the chart which it is showing it is going into a downtrend, right? Now from today's closing we will get some confirmation that market is bound to go down and which script we should buy. If the market is falling down, then which should we script we should buy. I have identified, I am using Trade Tiger. So in Trade Tiger, you get all the Nifty 50 you will get, then small cap, then dividend paying company will get, mid cap, large scale. There are n number of what you call diversification which are normal, in the platform you don't get it. So this is becomes on the click of the mouse. If you want small cap, the 50's best small cap is listed there. If you want to look for the dividend paying company, it is there. But before we go any further, you pause the video because we have a ritual that you have to see the disclaimer, understand it, and then you can move forward. I will give you the turning point of the market from where to buy and where to sell. But if you want to take advice, you take from a SEBI registered financial advisor. They will tell you these scripts are good fundamentally, but with a technical chart, you can make more precise decision when the market is going down, you buy. Now let's go to the Nifty. First, we'll go to the international market. So let's go to the international market. What the international market is showing me. I will go to the new S&P 500 chart. So can you all see the S&P 500 chart? Now I will scroll to that chart and we'll find out what is happening there. See, if I see this chart for the last 4 days, the market is falling down, right? And it is likely to break this level. I will draw a line for you so you can understand that there is a great probability that market is going to come down to here. So I'll just, give you a broader look. So this is where if the market cracks below this, then this is a daily chart. Then you will look for an immediate support on a weekly chart. So I go for a weekly chart and let's find out where. See, it is coming in this area from the weekly chart where it had started moving up and then now it is slowly and gradually coming down. So now let's look at the monthly chart. What does the monthly chart says? The monthly chart on the US 500 or Dow Jones tell us that the market, there is a probability that it will come down to this level, that is around 4,108. And after that, how it reacts, then only we can enter into the market. So the market now, the signals are not encouraging to go long, but you can get some good shares at a very reasonable valuation in the Indian stock market. So now this is, we have seen the overall, the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones are giving a signal that there is going to be a bearish market. Now we come to the Indian market. So Indian market, this is the Indian market. Now we'll open the Nifty chart. Now let's open the Nifty chart. The Nifty chart, as you see, in the last session I also had drawn that Nifty is likely to come down to this level, but many people were laughing at me that no, it is not possible. The markets are very strong, but see the Nifty chart. It is for the last almost 2-3 weeks. It is going in this level only. And my this 21-day moving average, which I plot on Trade Tiger, also is giving me the signal that there is going to be a bearish phase in the market. And in case of the volatility, if the market falls further, then you can expect the market to come down to this level of 18,731 to 32. At that time, you can buy aggressively and you can make money. So right now, even if the script is good fundamentally, you have to wait till it comes to the level where you can buy. So now what do I do? Today, see, I made 364 rupees, right? This is OTP which I have to by ritual, because for explaining you I use a different laptop. So let me put the my OTP here. 7. Now it is unlocked. Yes. Now can you see that small 100 rupee, 300 rupees I had made? Why I had made, I had a friend who was visiting me, is wanted to know how the candlestick chart patterns are working. So I opened the Nifty Beast chart and I sold around 1100 Nifty Bs, but it is moves in a very small decimal. It was just to show in the experiment. So I made around 364 rupees, and this also there is one net position. I got one Hindustan lever because it was one I had placed an order much before on automated platform of the Nifty. So one Hindustan lever I had bought. Now I'll just tell you how to go about it. Now in Trade Tiger, you get this facility. What you do is you select Nifty small cap. This is Nifty small cap 50. So all small cap companies, best 50 shares, the first 50 shares are displayed on this board. Now what I selected today was the MGL, because it has gone down to 8.35%. So I'm just opening this, see how it has fallen down in one day, right? 8.50. So it is coming into this level by level. It has touched and reacted. So whether it is advisable to buy on this daily level at 1023, or we should look for a good level at weekly. So if I press weekly, it's showing me an uptrend, but slowly it's making a red candle. So on a weekly, I should go for this level. The reason is there are 1, 2, and 3 candles. Then there was a correction and then it went up. So here there was no follow through, only half candle was the follow through, but here 3 consecutive days it kept on making a new high. So if I want to buy MGNL, what I will do is I will buy over here. This is my entry point, right? And This is my stop loss, and this should be my target. So I am losing 30 rupees if the trade goes wrong, but if I make money, I make 127 rupees. So risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 4. I lose 1 rupee, but at the same time, if the trade goes in my favor, I make 4 rupees. So it's a fantastic trade. So what I will do is, for learning purpose, I will place an order over here. What I will do is buy one share, not good for the trade, but we will put a date till 31st of October. If it comes to my level, it will get executed, and then I can take a informed decision. Now, one share I had bought was of Hindustan Lever. So let's see what the Hindustan Lever is telling us, because in automated we bought one share. So it is coming down. It was sideways, so for quite a long time, this Hindustan Lever was moving in this sideways for almost 15 July. So July, August, September. For 4 months, it is in this level only. It's going up and down sideways. Now, to identify which good level I should enter, I should press a monthly chart and see where I can enter. Okay, monthly chart. This is a very big bullish candle. So let me find out what is happening here. Yes, monthly, I can buy on this level. So I will reduce my loss. So I will wait for the price to come over here. I will enter at this level, and my stop loss will be here, and the target I can have for a long term up to this level, right? So how much money I am making? Per share, I'll be making 400 rupees, and odd 403. And if I am losing, how much I am losing? 130. So it is perfect 1 is to 3. If I lose 130 rupees, and if I make profit, I make 400 rupees. So it's a good trade. So what I will do is, I will place an order here for, again, for the one share, and till I can go up to next 30 days, that is up to 17th November. So it is placed automated. I'll place an order. So as and when it comes into my level, it will get executed, right? So this is the beauty of using the Trade Tiger. Okay, so this is telling me I'm okay. I don't want to go for a bracket order, so I will go for a normal order because it's only a one share. So I place it, and this is my confirmation. So this is one thing. So we have discussed Hindustan Lever, then MGL. Hindustan Lever is not a small cap; it's a big cap. Now we will look for IDFC. So where is IDFC? Okay, then there is one more GNFC. So let me find out what is happening in GNFC. So first, let us go to the daily chart. Daily chart, it is coming down. Okay, and weekly chart, what does it say? Weekly chart, the share is in the uptrend, right? So what I can do is I can mark here and then I go to the daily chart. Okay. So I will put my bet here on this level and then my stop loss is below this level and I can have my target over here at this height. So I'm losing 18 rupees per share to make 52 rupees. Again, it is almost 1:3. So what I can do is I can place an order over here. Again, I'll put a one share because I want to see when I buy at one share, what is the market overall market, what is the world market. So once it gets executed, I can take an informed decision whether I should buy 100 shares in this level or buy 500 or 1000 depending upon my capital and risk taking capacity. But it will definitely get executed at this level. That means I'll get one share in my portfolio and I can analyze the market further whether it is advisable to buy or big quantity or not. So I place the order and I say, okay, the select scripts are on holiday. So I will go to 17th November. Okay, so my order is valid till 17th November. After that, it will expire automatically. Now, after that, let me go to some MGL we have done. Then we have IDFC, where it is the IDFC, yes, IDFC. So I click to IDFC. IDFC, we have already identified a level where we have to buy. So I will put a buy order in IDFC also, one share, no brackets, normal, and up to 17th November, right? I place it and I confirm it. So now what is remaining? We have done IDFC, we have done MGNL. Now FinCap, GNFC also we have done. I think GNFC is left. So let me check. GNFC. No, GNFC also we have done. So we go to Fincable. Fincable. Where is Fincable? Let me press F. Fincables. These are all small caps. See, Fincable is a very good buy. It's falling from the top which had made here at 1216 and now it is at 918 rupees, 930 rupees. So it has already come down for almost 250 rupees to 25% discount. But let me check on weekly what it is saying. Weekly still in an uptrend, but this is the base which I had made in weekly. So it can come down to 874 level. And if I check monthly level, so monthly level, what does it say? It can come up to this level, right? So 887 level. So weekly is almost coinciding with monthly level. So what I do is I put my buy order over here, right? And my stop loss below this and my target over here. So now this is giving me a risk reward of 2.5 ratio. I'm losing 1 rupees but making 25 rupees. So if I'm losing money, how much money I'm losing? I'm almost 111 rupees and I'm making 262 rupees. So if this way, if you manage your risk reward ratio, then you can definitely make money in the stock market. And now, once you are thorough, and if I get a good viewership, then I'm going to teach you that what should be your quantity. Suppose if you have 10 lakh rupees, and if you make that per trade, my loss should be only 1% or half a percent. So accordingly, the quantity of that particular scrip or the share is decided, so that in any given time, if you trade with the system, you don't lose money, but you keep on making money. So let me make this thing buy order over here. One normal, and my order validity is up to 17th November. I place it here, right? And this goes confirm. So as and when it reaches this price, my one share will be purchased, and then in the evening I can analyze it whether it is worth buying more or I should square off all that what I have bought. So I hope everybody enjoyed this session, and now I'm going within few minutes we'll start the Citizen Justice Forum. Okay. So if you like this channel, or if you see that whatever I am analyzing on the candlestick pattern chart is making some sense and logic, and if you also start making money, you can share this with your friends and contacts, how to generate a second income with a method, with and specific methodology, so that if there is a system, you don't lose money, and with the system you can make money. So see you now again, and tomorrow we are having a wonderful session on most of the cases. Even if they are strong, they have this 138 cases. The cases are dismissed and the accused get acquitted. So why this is happening? So we have one expert. His name is Mr. Vinod Chabra, an author of Czech Law Reporter Mumbai, a very renowned advocate. So see you tomorrow at 7:15 on the Citizen Justice Forum platform. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.